Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you use the Tor browser and find that web pages appears too small or too large, you can adjust the default zoom level to make browsing more comfortable. Changing the default zoom allows you to automatically set how web pages are displayed without manually zooming in or zoom out every time. In this video, I will show you a step by step how to change the default zoom level in Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. First open Tor browser and then click on the triple line menu in the top right corner. Select settings in the drop down menu. Select general in the Tor settings, general tab in the Tor settings, and then scroll down on the right sidebar. Here you will find a zoom section. Under that, click on the drop down menu of default zoom, and you can now change the select the zoom size according to your choice. That's it. From now on, Tor browser will open web pages using the zoom level you selected by default. This makes browsing more comfortable and improves readability according to your preference. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.